Oh dear kids, today we are going on an adventure. So are you ready for this exciting adventure? If you are ready, do like the video and subscribe the Haider cartoon for kids. So let's start our today's video. A sunny pond surrounded by trees and flowers. Welcome to Ducky Pond. There lived our two best friends, Daisy and Doodle. Daisy is a cheerful yellow duck, splashes in the water. Daisy quacking happily. Yee-hoo! This pond is the best place to play. Doodle is a silly brown duck, waddles over Doodle. What should do today? Daisy, they both look each other with a big question marks. Edge of the pond with a colorful garden nearby. Daisy thinking aloud. Let's go on an adventure. Beyond the pond, Doodle says, but if we get lost, Daisy, don't worry, we stick together. They flap their wings and look excited. Green forest with tall trees, chirping bird, Daisy and Doodle waddle through the forest, amazed by their surroundings. Doodle, pointing, look at those beautiful butterflies. Daisy giggling, let's chase them. They chase the butterflies, laughing and flapping their wings and running around the forest. A sparkling stream with stones. The group discover the shining stone beside the water. Doodle, wide-eyed, wow, look at all these treasure stones. Are shiny. Rabbit named Benny joined them on this adventure. They see shiny stones and look happy and excited. So Daisy, are you enjoy the adventure ride? Benny and Doodle says yes it is very adventurous. The path leading back to the pond as the sun sets. Daisy, content. What an amazing day. Doodle yawning. I'm so tired, Daisy, but happy. Benny says, let's do this again sometime. They all waving goodbye as they heading home. At last, they back at the pond. The moon shines above the softly and so Daisy, Doodle and Benny learn that adventure are more fun with the friends. Daisy dreamily, I can't wait for our next adventure. Doodle snoring. Doodle says, I'm going to sleep. Daisy and Benny laughing at Doodle. She's so silly, but she's very cute. And the adventure goes and they sleep with the happy and sweet dreams. Kids, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, keep subscribing like Danyal Haider cartoon for kids. We will meet you in the next very exciting video. Until bye bye.